Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I am Marissa, and today I am going to kind of be taking you guys along as I put together my daughter's new bedroom set. So I actually moved in her like toddler bed into our room. This room is like such a mess now, but I moved in her toddler bed into our room. If you haven't been around my channel, if you're new, my husband and daughter are currently in Colorado right now. So I am at home by myself. My mom actually bought her like a big girl bed set for Christmas, so it's like still in the box and everything. The mattress is supposed to be coming on Friday. Today is Tuesday, so I keep like putting off like attempting to put it together. So I figured I would at least start today, and hopefully I can like get it figured out by myself. So this is what her room looks like now. We have to repaint like gray just like everything else in this house since we will be moving soon, but this is currently what her room looks like now. It's seriously such a mess since we're kind of in the process of getting stuff together to move here in the next couple of months. So her toddler bed was over there, if you guys like had seen in my previous videos. You guys can see like the spot that's like brand new from where, you know, underneath her bed. But her big girl bed is gonna go right there. So this one actually has like the headboard is like a little shelf or like bookcase or whatever. So that's the headboard. I have no idea what the heck those things are, but everything else is currently still downstairs in the laundry room. So I'm gonna bring up the rest of the stuff for the actual bed, and then we'll see how much of this I get done. Today has been such a long day already. I think it's already 5 o'clock. I only got home like 30 minutes ago. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow we are doing our NCLEX review at school. So we have 3 days, like 9 to 4. Of just like NCLEX. So my school uses Kaplan. So at the end of the program, Kaplan sends out somebody to come and do like an NCLEX review. So that is what I have been doing. Other than that, this week I just have my last practicum conference and then finals next week, which is crazy. So yeah, I figured before I get too deep into like relaxing and finishing up some schoolwork, I would attempt to get as much of this bed put together as I can. So we will see. You guys, I am sweating and I am out of breath already, and I think I still have like the footboard and the slats to bring up. I am so out of breath and I'm sweating so bad. So I have everything here now, and I'm actually kind of second guessing my abilities right now. I feel like this is more of a two-person job. Oh my gosh. I feel like I already need to take a break. I forget if I mentioned that my mom got this from Wayfair. I have personally never like experienced like a purchase or whatever with Wayfair. I've never bought from them. I did, however, go and get Eliana's mattress from there. I think on Saturday I bought her mattress because they were having like Black Friday deals and stuff. So I got her twin mattress, and it like comes in a box for I think it was like $117 before tax or something like that. So that's gonna come Friday, like I said. I still have the slats here in this box, and these were all of the boxes that her bed came in. And then there's still this box here, but that actually has her like the nightstand that it came with. But that is super heavy, so I'm actually going to leave it down here until my husband gets back so that he can bring that up. Yeah, so let's see how much of this bed we can get put together, if any at all. I feel like already taking a break because I feel like this is going to be very time consuming. So I'll read the directions real quick and see kind of how I feel. If not, I will just eat, because I think now it's probably like 5:30. I'll just eat. I have to finish up a couple of assignments, and yeah, because it's already kind of like super dark out, because it's already like, you know, kind of getting later in the day. So, and I have another early morning tomorrow for my last day of NCLEX review, so we will see. Okay, so after reading through the instructions, it doesn't seem too crazy, but I'm actually going to take a break, even though I really haven't done anything, and eat, and then I'm going to submit my practicum journal, because it's really supposed to be submitted within like 24 hours of your shift. So I got off my shift Saturday morning, so it should have been submitted by Sunday morning, but yeah, I'm already super late on that. But it's not nearly as late as my like multi-patient simulation journal, which is supposed to be submitted I think within like 48 hours or something, and I was like a whole week and a half late, but I still got full credit somehow. Anyway, so I'm going to go and submit that because I forgot to do it yesterday, and I'm also going to get my conference presentation done, because that has to be like ready and done for tomorrow. So I'm going to go do those real quick. So depending on how long that takes to get done, I'll come back and do this. If not, I will see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I didn't end up putting together my daughter's bed last night. I just had to finish up my presentation and my practicum journal, and I needed to eat, and I was just exhausted, so I didn't end up putting it together, but I'm about to do it now, and I'm going to take you guys on with me. I am almost wondering if I can actually do this by myself, or I should have waited, or should wait for my husband to get home. But I did promise, or I did say that I was going to do it, so I don't want him to like come home and, you know, have to worry about putting that together. So I am going to attempt to do it. I showed you guys, I already brought my daughter's bed in. They get back tomorrow, so I want to have this done, especially since her bed is going to be coming on Friday. Okay, one side done. Okay, so I have finally gotten one done. I had to like undo the screws and redo it, but it is sitting over there. It is a whole lot bigger than I thought it would be. So quickly off camera, I'm going to put the second one together, and we'll kind of regroup and see what comes next. Okay, so I was getting ready to start on the headboard, and I could not find one of the pieces. So I literally just spent forever down in our laundry room looking through all the boxes trying to find this piece, and it turns out it's over here. I feel like an idiot, but yeah, so while I was looking for that, I got hungry. I ordered pizza, so that should be here in the next 30 minutes, and I would like to get this headboard done and maybe like the sides done, so I can just like eat and finish my presentation, and that is it. So let's see if we can do this. Okay, so I had to like go and take a break, so I ate some food, but this one part here is giving me so much freaking trouble. It's these little like wooden brackets and screws. You have to use like a Phillips screwdriver to screw it into the wood, and I can't get that one like all the way in. And then this one over here just like will not go in. I can't get it. I can't get the freaking screws to stick in these spots. Just so that I don't like keep scratching everything up, I'm just gonna stop for tonight. I mean, I've done quite a bit already. I'm gonna try again and finish tomorrow because this is just so frustrating. Good morning, guys. Obviously it is the next day. I think it's like 8 something, like 8:40. I just woke up. I have a few hours before I have to leave to go to my school for my final like practicum conference presentation thing. So I figured I would finish up Eliana's bed right now. I don't know why I didn't think of this, but when I was talking to my husband last night, he's like, why didn't you just use the electric like screw gun thing, I don't know, whatever you call it, to get those brackets in? Because I told you guys that I was having such a hard time, and I'm like, I don't know why I didn't think of that. I think I thought that if I used that it would like split the wood or something, I don't know. So I'm about to use that to finish it. I'm just drinking my strawberry peach juice out of a mug because I have to do dishes, which I have not done literally like the whole time that my husband and daughter have been gone. So let's go and finish this dang bed. They come back tonight, so I want this to all be done so we don't have to worry about it. Okay, so even with that dang electric nail screw gun, whatever, I cannot get those stinking wood screws in the freaking holes. So I've made an executive decision. That's it, I'm done. My husband can put it together and I will show you guys what it looks like all after and her reaction to her bed. This is such a pain, such a pain. Merry Christmas, everyone. So you'll just have to excuse my look real quick. It's still morning, so we opened our presents downstairs. I'm trying not to be too loud. And Santa brought Eliana a bunch of stuff for her room. Paris, I think I've mentioned we went to Paris this summer and she's been like all about Paris since we got back. So my grandma got her a couple things which I'll show you, but she got this little like ballet photo thing that she's like into ballet right now. We have this picture, it says "Oh Paris." This one that says "Ooh la la." I took down all her old ones. Santa brought her this bedspread that I just put on, a little pillow. We got her this Eiffel Tower lamp, and my grandma got her this Eiffel Tower wall thing and that over there. And then we also got her this little hook for her towel because hers broke. But I'm going to call her up here so we can show her and see her reaction. Mira ya primero. Para la toalla. Y aquí. Y después. We have to wash all her bed sheets. ¿Te gusta eso?